Gold traded bearish for the week. Last week we have mentioned that below 2018 levels the bearishness will increase, and yes, below 2000 levels we can see a good fall. It has achieved 1984 before recovering and closing at around 2014 levels. Now what to expect from gold next week? As we have seen a recovery, can we expect this recovery to continue? Can we expect a reversal in gold, or is it again going to trade bearish and deliver third bearish candle? What is going to be our strategy and what are the key levels which can help you make profit trading gold next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this update, I will be sharing the levels. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe, share and comment. Your every like, comment, share and subscribe is a great motivation for me to deliver twice a day updates for gold. Thus press the bell icon and stay tuned with the daily updates, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Let's start. First, on the monthly charts, one must note, see, last three candles you have seen higher lows. This candle has already breached the lows here and tried to trade bearish. Also, if you look at three bullish candles, the bullishness was diminishing here, and that is why we say that diminishing bullishness calls for it to reverse, and that is what has happened. Couple of red candles. However, right now if you just connect the lows and the highs, you will find it is trying to stay in a zone, and a complete bullish reversal in gold is only to be considered if it trades above 2065 levels. That is the only level above which you can consider this as bullish for the month of February. So yes, even if it tries to rise, there are going to be greater resistances for gold on now on the upside around 2030 32 first resistance, then 2042, and then around 2060 65. These are the three key levels which I will be looking forward to if it continues to trade bullish from the current levels. Now also one must look at the monthly charts. The prices are divergent from the 20 period, and if you observe the pattern, see, look at this, prices are divergent, then a pullback towards 20 period. Similar observation, higher highs, and then it can show a pullback towards the 20 period. Right now it is not suggestive of a significant drop as of now. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is in greener zone, it is trying to diverge, it is looking upwards as of now. And if you look at RSI, it is also almost flat, though both MACD and RSI are looking started to look downwards. There is slight a negative sign here. Coming to the weekly chart, on the weekly charts one must observe, see the pattern here. A couple of bearish candle with bearishness diminishing. We have seen gold reversing here again, couple of bearish candles, and yes, the body size, look at the body size, the bearishness is diminished here. Also the body is less than almost 20 to 30% of the complete move. This suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bearish as of now, and thus if you see it trading again, now first thing is it has to stay above 2025 and then 2032 levels. If these two levels are taken, we can consider gold for a rise towards 2060 levels in the coming week. So these two levels are going to remain critical for gold for the coming week, first 2032 and then 2042 levels. It has to break these levels. Also, what has happened in the last week, we have seen it moving towards the bottom of the channel. Yes, it has breached the 20 period moving average. Also, the prices here were divergent from the 20 period. Now it is taking support from the 20 period and can reverse as well. Look what has happened here. Taking support, it has seen a rise, then drop, then support, and then the rise. Again the drop, again the bounce back, and this time again, though it has breached, but it can possibly bounce back. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now this is important. MACD on the weekly chart, see first of all this wave, second wave, and yes, it has started to rise, but look at the crossover here. This is a bearish cross and just two candles away from this, and it is diverging. This indicates that complete reversal confirmation, that is 2060 65 in the month of February appears, the chances are very less, and hence even if it tries to rise, there is a strong possibility that we may see the bears taking over again, and that is why I say 2032 is going to be a good resistance, 2042 is going to be a good resistance, and gold prices might reverse from any of these levels in the coming week. RSI is also started to look downwards. Coming to daily, now look at daily charts. In our daily analysis, I have mentioned that it was outside Bollinger Band, so you can expect a retracement here. Now why is it retracing and what can be expected? See, first of all, moving averages crossing over here again is a sign of bearishness, and that's what makes this zone completely a greater resistance zone in between 2020 and 2032. Only and only if it trades above these levels, you can consider this for a reversal. Else what is happening right now, you can notice here, see, this is trying to create a bearish channel, and it is consistently delivering lower highs, lower lows. Where are the highs of this channel? Again, in between the zone 2020, 2030. This is going to be a greater resistance. Moving averages crossing over here after almost, see, this is a bearish cross, and this bearish cross last we have seen in August 2023. Let me take you a little far back. See, this was the bearish cross which we have seen in August 2023, and since then it is almost stayed in green, and now again crossing over here for sell. So yes, prices first of all is trying to achieve the 20 and 50 period moving average. There is a possibility that first trading session we may see gold moving towards those levels, and then from the same levels we can possibly expect a reversal as well. So be careful. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge. It is not yet converged. It is not yet crossed over. Also look at the MACD, and a crossover here is a reversal confirmation. RSI rising as well. Coming to 4-hour, now look at 4-hour charts. In my daily update I have mentioned, see, it is forming a nice cup and handle here, and it is trying to achieve the highs, and there is still a little more room for gold to rise further. Now if you connect the prices, connect the dots here, you will find lower lows, lower highs. Where are the highs? Again at around 2020, 2030 zone. Very good resistance exists there, and prices can reverse from these levels. Do not consider this for a 60% bullishness. If it trades about 20, 40, 42, then you can consider that the major part is bullish. And if it stays about 20, 60, 65, that is 100% bullishness will prevail, and then prices will rise. The chances for it to break beyond 20, 60, 65 is less, I have already mentioned. On the 4-hour charts, moving averages have started to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. MACD again trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. Thus, we have seen the charts and indicators, and time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself now. See, equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and profitable trends with ease across instruments, be it indices, commodity, currency, crypto, anything. So do join this mentorship batch and cherish the learning for life. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my Telegram channel, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals. My contact details with my Telegram ID and my email IDs are shared in the channel and video description. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. Also, if you have not joined the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates, do join it, and do visit my platform forexhonda.com, where all the information related to the mentorship batch, to the services are available there. Also, you can book a call there with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. See, 2018, 2020 is going to be the first resistance zone, which we should observe. Price is staying above this. In fact, even if it stays above, as I have shared, there are a couple of nearby resistances which we should watch out for. After this, you can look forward to 2024, 2025, and then 2030, 2032 zone. This is going to be a good resistance zone. This is something you should watch out for. I think this is going to play a major role in deciding the gold's movement in the coming week. And then 2040, 2042 zone. Rather, let me put it as 2038 and 42 zone. Now, this is going to be the critical milestone, because if gold trades above this, you can consider this for a stronger reversal, where I will be looking forward to 2054, 2065, and this is going to be the major hurdle in gold's movement, beyond which it is to be treated for a reversal towards 2100 very soon. 2100, 2120 levels to get achieved here. On the downside, where you should take a selling entry at 2008, 2008 can be taken, though there are going to be the next support levels at around 2004 and then 1998. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to 1989, 1984, and then 1972. Now, this is going to be the level you should watch out for. Any drop below 1972 will take it till towards 1940 levels in the coming few sessions, in the coming few weeks. If it continues to stay below 1972, the bearishness is going to prevail here, and then we can look forward to more fall in the coming few sessions, few weeks for gold, where we can look forward to further lows towards 1940 and 1900 levels. Thus, in between this, as long as 1972 is respected on the downside, a possibility of a recovery will be strong, and on the upside, 2038.42 is going to be major hurdle, and then 2065. If these two levels are taken, gold is not going to come back. It is going to fly high towards 2100 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the twice a day updates of gold, where you get all the key levels to trade and profit. Do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss this. If you want to trade with profits, you should equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you trade profitably. Thus, press the bell icon, reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries, and do like, share, and comment, friends. It's always a great motivation. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading next week and a happy weekend. Thank you.